Good morning, everyone. How are you doing today?
Hello, me. I'm fine. I'm very good.
Nice to listen. Today, we're going to learn about the solar system. By the end of this class, you will be able to understand key information about the sun, the planets, and other elements of our solar system. Use a scientific vocabulary in English to describe them. Share what you learned with your classmates on your digital board. So let's start it. Guys, I'm sharing this presentation with you so you can see today's class material and complete the activities we will do in class today. Before we start, I'd like to know, what do you already know? Why do we have day, night, and seasons?
Because the planet turn around the sun. Yes.
Okay, great ideas. We'll find the answer very soon. Um, how many planets do you know? Can you name them?
Earth, Saturn, Mercury,
I think it's
Mars.
8 planets.
Okay, excellent. And the last one, how many moons do you think each planet has?
Our planet only one. Only one moon.
Okay, interesting. Some planets have more than 100 moons. We'll learn more about that today. So now let's travel through our solar system. I'm going to click on each planet and we'll learn some key facts together. For example, we have to start Mercury. Mercury is the planet closest to the sun. Its orbit is oval shaped, not a perfect circle. The temperatures are extreme, 430 degrees Celsius during the day and minus 180 at night. Its surface is covered with great rock craters and dust. Um, Mercury orbits the sun in just 88 days, but it spins very slowly on itself. It takes 58.6 days to complete one full rotation. On the other side, we have Venus. It's almost the same size as Earth, but don't let that fool you. Its atmosphere is made of CO2 and sulfuric acid, which traps heat. It's always 460 degrees. That makes it the hottest planet in our solar system, even hotter than Mercury. It has volcanoes and thick yellow clouds. Here is a fun fact. Venus spins backwards. Its rotation takes 243 days and it orbits the sun in 225 days. Then we have the Earth. Earth is our home. It's the only planet we know of with liquid water and life. Our atmosphere has nitrogen and oxygen, which we breathe. Tectonic plates move slowly to from mountains and oceans. The moon helps stabilize Earth's axis. Earth spins once every 24 hours, giving us day and night, and it takes 365 days to orbit the sun. Look at this. This is a stellarium web, a virtual planetarium. With this tool, you can see the real sky from anywhere in the world right now. For example, we'll check about Ecuador right here. Now let's look at some keywords you will use during our class. I'll say each word and I'd like you to repeat after me. For example, we have orbit.
Orbit,
Orbit,
Orbit means orbita. That means the curved path a planet takes as it travels around the solar system. We have gravity.
gravity,
gravity,
It means gravedad. And it is the invisible force that pulls things toward each other. It keeps your feet on the ground and the planets moving around the sun. So now we're going to do some interactive activities. we're going to watch a short video about the planets of the solar system. As you watch, pay close attention to the names of the planets, their colors, their sizes, and any interesting facts you see or hear. Ready?
Yes.
Yes.
Now, Smart Planet presents Planet.
These are the planets of the solar system. These are the planets of the solar.
Now, let's check your comprehension. Look at the question on the screen and read the options carefully and think about the answer. What's special about Uranus' rotation compared to the other planets? It spins the fastest of all the planets. It does not spin at all. It spins on the opposite direction from top to bottom, or it spins only at night. What do you think, Flor and Lorena?
The first. I think the first. The first option.
You think it's the first one? Okay, we'll check. So the correct one is the third one. It spins on the opposite direction from top to bottom. Now we have a true or false activity. I'm going to show you some statements about everything we have learned today for each one, and I want you to decide it is true or false. And mostly important, why. You need to justify your answer in English. For this one, okay, this one is for Flor, and this one is for Lorena.
Okay.
So, Flor, the moon is Earth's only natural satellite and helps us stabilize the planet's axis.
True.
You think it's true? Okay. Why you think it's true?
Because we only have one moon.
Okay.
That is what we see every night.
Okay. That's right. Okay, so then Lorena, the
Okay.
sun makes up about 99.8% of the total mass of the solar system and keeps the planets in orbit through its gravity. Is that true or false?
True.
True.
Because the sun is very big, and you describe that in the topic.
So, guys, it's your turn to show what you learned. You're going to use your collaborative digital board on Padlet. Here are your instructions. So you gotta write a short post in English about what surprised you the most from today's lesson. Then add extra information what that you really knew and what to research, something not covered in class, and attach the related image. And a planet could be a planet, a comet, the sun, anything from our solar system. Try to use our vocabulary, words like orbit, rotation, atmosphere, crater, and then leave a comment on the last one of them. You have 12 minutes. Take a few minutes to review your public post, where we will read the content. Por aquí tenemos la intervención de Lorena.
Yes, teacher. I can read.
Thank you, Lorena.
Hello, teacher and partners. Mars is the red planet because its surface is covered with iron-rich dust that makes look red in the sky. Great part is that Mars has the biggest volcano in the solar system called Olympus Mons.
Finally, I want to ask you, what did you learn today and that you did know before?
Teacher, I didn't know about the storm that is that happens in Jupiter. That is an interesting theme.
Okay. And what about you, Flor?
I learned that Mercury has very cold temperatures at night because in the presentation they say that At night, it has minus 180 degrees,
That's right.
and that's very cold.
You're right. So those are wonderful reflections. Science is all around us, even above us. Remember, the universe is vast and full of mysteries. Keep asking questions, keep exploring, and keep learning in English. See you next class. Thank you,
Thank you,
guys.
teacher.
Thanks, teacher.
Thank you.